Massive update for Cybertruck owners. Rejoice here because Tesla is doing the right thing and fixing Cybertruck issues and extending the warranty for every Cybertruck. Really cool to see this. Cybertruck posted this officially today. This was actually a little bit of a leak because this was posted earlier today. It seems like a customer had a Cybertruck in, or Gerald had his Cybertruck in Tesla service because of the same PCS issue. And you can see here, quote, that warranty informed me that today, July 30th, Tesla's extended the warranty coverage for PCS2. This extension applies even if the basic limited warranty has already expired, aligning the coverage period with the high voltage battery of 8 years, 150,000 miles. Tesla Cybertruck official account came out and said, we've identified PCS electronics in pre-2026 Cybertrucks that do not meet our reliability standards and have made design changes to address this in newer vehicles. Next steps: model year 2026 PCS warranty is now standard 7 years, 70,000 miles. Model year 2024, like us, Foundation Series, PCS warranty is extended to 8 years, 150,000 miles. So really good to see this. I was a little worried, but it seems like a lot of the different Cybertrucks that are having these issues charge at home, which we don't charge at home. We charge it for superchargers because of our free supercharging. So we should be good. But hey, you never know in the future. You always want to have as much coverage as possible because you do not want a big service bill no matter what. And I was already trying to plan, like, what am I going to do here? Am I just going to buy a warranty from Tesla, or am I going to buy a warranty from Accelerate? Because if you've got a Tesla vehicle, you want to make sure you're covered into the long term, whether you want battery and drive unit coverage or premium coverage or much more. That's where XCare EV protection comes into play here. Get a quick quote down below in the description on their website. They cover a lot more than just Tesla vehicles and other electric vehicles as well. And use promo code Dennis to save a massive $200 off your protection plan if you're interested. So definitely check out Accelerate down below in the description.